Right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 3 of January daily math. And there's a little pair of mittens there. It says 2 times 3 times 5 is the same as 6 times 5. So, what is 2 times 3? 6. Very good. So we have 6. I'll put our parentheses around there. Now we have 6 times 5. Well, is 6 times 5 the same as 6 times 5? Yes, it is. That is a true statement. I'm thinking of the associative property with this one, right? Saying that we can go 2 times 3 is 5. Okay. Oh, hold on.
Of our January daily math. And we have used less than.
Had an old one going there. That's funny. So here we go. 700 minus 135. So here we go. Across zeros. Okay, across zeros, we're going to have to cross off that 7 and turn it into a 6. Which now we bring the 100 and we bring it to the tens column, which we now have 10 tens, which is the same as 100. We could do 10 minus 3, but we're going to have to borrow from that because we cannot do 0 minus 5 still. So we're going to cross out the 10 tens. We're going to make it 9 tens. And we're going to bring 1 10 over to this column and make that a 10. Now we may begin our subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 6 minus 1 is 5. There we are. I love to eat fish. My zookeeper feeds me 3 buckets of fish each day. There are 7 fish in each bucket. How many fish do I eat in a day? So 3 buckets each day. There's that word each. Okay, there are 7 fish in each bucket. How many fish? We circle fish then, right? That's our answer. Yep, there it is. See that? Okay. So 3 buckets of fish each day. And inside of each bucket, there's 7 fish. So 3 groups. We know it's multiplication. 3 groups. And there's 7 in each group. So there's 3 buckets. There's 7 fish in each bucket. 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 fish in a day. Number 4. Write the numbers 10 less and 10 more. All right, so there's 304. Let's just put a 4 down there in the ones column for each problem. And really, let's just focus on the hundreds and the tens. Okay, so we're going to cover up that 4, and we're just going to pretend that now we have our hundreds and our tens. So it doesn't even matter about that 4 right now. So, what is a 10 less than 30? So 1 less than 30 would be 29. Okay, what is 1 more than 30? 1 10, we're covering up our spot though, right? 1 more than 30 would be 31. Okay, sometimes it helps. I kind of like to see it that way. Makes it easier for me anyways. You do what makes it easier for you. Kevin and his friends went ice skating on New Year's Day. They skated from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, but they took 2 15-minute breaks. How long did they skate? Well, from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, we know that that is 3 hours, right? And we could write our 3 hours like that. But they took 2 15-minute breaks. Taking a 15-minute break means that they're not ice skating for 15 minutes. So 15 plus 15 equals 30. So they took a break for 30 minutes of those 3 hours. So we have to take 30 minutes off of 3 hours. So now we're going to be down to think of it as 2 hours and 60 minutes. Okay, because it's kind of like when we borrowed, like up here, right? So we're going to borrow, we're going to cross that out, we're going to make it a 2, and we're going to change 0 into 60. Now we're going to take away those 30 minutes, okay, that they rested. So it's going to be 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay? So that is our answer. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Now, doing a problem like this works this way because it's 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. If you had other minutes on here, it may not work like that. And then you might have to go, how long did they go? For 3 hours, and then count back your 30 minutes. And you could always get on there like this, right? And say, there's your 3 hours, okay? And then you count back your 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Which would mean we went for 2 hours and 30 minutes. All right, boys and girls, have a great day and awesome job on your daily math.